Do you want to know how to check your civil service results and ratings using your mobile phone? Watch this video until the end. Hi, welcome to Epinoid channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to check civil service results and ratings online using your mobile phone. To check, open your mobile phone browser. Type in the address bar, www.google.com. Then type in the Google search bar, CSC Oxergs. Click the link of the first search result. Just wait for the website to load. On the official website, input the needed information. Information such as the applicant's last name, first name, extension name, middle initial, and date of birth. Input also the details of your examination, such as the date of examination, type of examination, and the CSC office. After inputting all the necessary information, tap the box and then click the Submit button. Congratulations! You have successfully checked your civil service results and ratings online using your mobile phone. You may print this page by clicking the print icon for you to have a copy of your temporary certificate of eligibility. For more upcoming tutorial videos, like and subscribe Epinoid Tutorial TV now.